Hey divas, so in today's video I'm here to share with you guys this unit that I am rocking right now. So if you guys are interested, then definitely go ahead and stay tuned. Okay divas, so before we jump right into the video, I did want to let you guys know that this video is being brought to you guys by Feat.Xtrend. They have hair extensions, wigs, and all type of stuff, so definitely go ahead and check them out. I will be sure to leave their information that they provide me with in the description box below. And thank you so much Feat.Xtrend for sponsoring this video. I greatly appreciate it. But yeah divas, without further ado, if you fabulous girls want to know all the details and the specs on this unit, then definitely go ahead and stay tuned. Okay divas, so jumping right in, today we have a unit from Feat.Xtrend's hair. We have this 12-inch bob, and this is what the package comes with. So it comes with the unit, of course. It also comes with this cool bag as well as a dome cap. I traditionally don't use these underneath my wigs, but I'm glad that they included it. They also sent me extra of those as well. But here is the unit. So like I said, it is 12 inches. This is 100% human hair, and this is a lace front wig. It does come with 13 by I think about 6 inches of parting. But here is the inside of the cap construction. It is big head friendly, so if you have a smaller head, you will have to add like an elastic band or something, but this is what it looks like. So it does feature 2 combs in the front as well as a comb in the back with the adjustable straps, and it also of course features the 13 by 6 parting area that I was telling you guys about earlier. So this unit does have minimal shedding and tangling, which is really good. The hair texture is very nice and soft, and it also has a very nice natural like soft luster. And I'm just giving you guys a 360 of the unit because this is a bob unit. I am just going to go ahead and add heat protectant spray. I'm going to try to put everything in the description box below that I use, but I'm going to add a heat protectant spray and then flat iron the hair, and then I will be wearing this hair for days after this, after you guys see these clips, and then I'll come back to you guys with my closing thoughts. So now that you guys have gotten all the details and the specs on this unit, I am here to tell you guys my review on how I feel about this unit. I did want to wear this unit for a little bit just so that I could give you guys like a review on pretty much like how I feel about it and everything. So yeah, let's just jump right in. Okay, so I have been wearing this unit for about a week and a half. I did go ahead and record another portion of the video as you guys seen, and this is still the hair from that portion. So the hair is like, you know, it's like some days old, but it still looks good. I probably just need to go in and like touch up on like the bump or the flat iron a little bit, but in my personal opinion, I think it still does look good. But yeah, so overall with this hair, I really do like the density. The density is very natural. Like, let me pull the hair to the front. So the density is very natural, and I also really like the cut on it. It's really nice. And although I did have to go in and cut like the front portions, I do really like the rest of the cut besides that, of course. But it was a super easy fix. Like, I just went in and literally cut it because this cut is blunt cut, so it doesn't really matter like if you go in, if that's the case with your unit, because it may not be the case, but I did have to go in and cut just like a little bit off of the front because it was a little bit too long in the front. But other than that, I don't have any problem with this unit. This hair is very soft and it does not like get all like frizzy and everything on you once you're out. I was out in like a pretty hot climate, and then I was also out in the rain because you guys know California, like the weather is just like raining, sunny, partly cloudy. It's like all over the place. So I have worn this hair in different type of weather. Unfortunately, like the weather forecast has been crazy. So this hair holds up and lasts pretty good. And she's still looking good. Like I don't even feel like I need to wash her yet. I always like to wash my units at least like once a week or once every 2 weeks, depending on how much I wear them. I was wearing this one constantly, so I would wash it after like a week. But I still feel like she's going strong, you know, and it's been a little over a week. So yeah, she's holding up pretty good. The hair is really soft. Like I said, the density is nice. There is minimal shedding and tangling, and I just overall like this unit. It's super easy. It's super like sleek. You can just flat iron it and pretty much go. The unit is ready out of the box. Now I did go in and bleach the knots. That is personal preference. I did go in and bleach it, so this is what it looks like after I have gone in and bleached it. I did not tint the lace or anything, so I don't know if you guys can see that. To me, the parting space looks pretty good, but it's totally up to you, like whether or not you want to tint it or if you want to add powder or whatever the case may be. I'm wearing a brown stocking cap, and then I did go ahead and bleach the knots. So yeah, that's what I pretty much did to the hair. But overall, divas, like this bob is like gorgeous. It's like not stiff at all, and this is after days. So I'm really impressed with this unit. I do really like it. I feel like it's perfect for the summer and fall season, or summer and spring season. I actually think bobs are like all year round because they always look very chic and classy, especially for like an everyday look. So yeah, this wig will be good for all year round, but of course it's going to be perfect for these hotter seasons that are coming up. But yeah, overall I do like this bob. I wanted to wear it a little bit just so I can give you guys like my full-on review on it before I tell you guys to spend your coin on it. And it is super affordable. I will have the links down in the description box below that the company provided me with. So yeah, but anywho, overall I would recommend this unit. So like I said before, check the description box below in case you guys are interested. And yeah, divas, that is pretty much it. I hope that you guys have enjoyed this video and found it very helpful and easy to follow. If you fabulous girls did, then go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Be sure to go ahead and leave me a comment down below. I would love to hear from you fabulous girls and know what you guys are thinking. And be sure to go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so already, and also hit that notification bell, girl, because I do upload quite often and you definitely do not want to miss any of my videos. But yeah, divas, thank you guys so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it, and I'll see you lovely girls in my next video. Bye.